Welcome to 1132 Kids.
We are super excited for today's episode.
Woo!
I have a question to kick it off with, okay? And the question is, not just for me, not just for you, but it's for you, okay? You watching at home. The question is, would you rather have stripes like a tiger or a mouth like a hippo?
Easy, stripes like a tiger.
No, mouth like a hippo.
Well, we want to know what you would rather have, stripes like a tiger or mouth like a hippo. So make sure you guys comment down below so Mr. Beauseph and I can see your answers.
That's right.
And speaking of tigers, I have a super interesting fact.
Oh.
So did you know that the tiger's skin is actually striped? It's not just the fur. So if you were to shave a tiger completely, you would notice that their skin is still striped.
Huh.
Crazy. Give us 20 likes and Mr. Beauseph will shave a tiger the next episode.
Stuffed animal tiger. It will not be a
tomato potato. We'll find out.
tomato. Anyways, today is it's an important day.
Intense day.
Intense. Last time, me and Andrew had a challenge. It was a while ago. And today, we're bringing it back.
That's right.
It's Andrew versus Beauseph challenge. Let's get started.
So, little does Mr. Beauseph know, but I have been training my entire life since the first challenge for this moment.
No. You're not gonna win. Listen up. I won the last one. I'm gonna win this one. It's just common facts. It's like 2 + 2 = 4. It's easy math. Okay? Over here, we have 2 tables with 10 Jenga structures. And we have a Nerf gun with 12 bullets. Wait. 12 bullets. First person to knock down as many as they can wins. It's super simple. Let's go ahead. You ready? Mr. Andrew, you're gonna lose this one. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that's a lot harder than I thought. Oh, 2 structures, 1. Oh, whoa, this is a powerful Nerf gun. Uh-oh, that one's lost.
Stop it!
Oh! Another one down. Oh!
Stay up!
Oh! Got him! Come on! Oh! I gotta get that one right there. Boom! Alright, here we go. Oh, come on! There it is. Gotta get that big one down. Oh! No!
So you have 1, 2, 3 structures left?
No, I knocked down the. You know what? 3 structures.
3 structures left. All right, well, I am so ready for this. Here's the thing. What Mr. Beauseph doesn't know is I have been training night and day for this very moment. Ever since I lost the Starburst Challenge, I have been waiting for this moment. And here's the thing. I don't have any orange Starburst weighing me down this time. So.
Got it? Yeah.
So.
Yep, you got it. You're good.
So.
You're good.
So.
Do you need help?
Sabotage. Mr. Beauseph is trying to get me like last time.
I did no such
With
thing.
the orange starburst. Everyone knows they're the worst. All right, so let's do this.
Let's see what you got. All right, go on, Mr. Andrew. Go.
It's a lot harder than that.
You'll get it. Oh! One down. Oh, wow. All right.
Oh! There's wind. Did you see that? There's wind.
Oh! Wow. Oh! There you go. That's a ricochet. Oh!
No! It moved! No!
This is great. I love this game. Oh!
Ow, it hit me.
Think you're running out of ammo. Oh!
No! Oh! Here's the thing. It was sabotage. I know it. My friend Tyler out there knows it too. He called it out on the orange starburst. Just saying. Yeah. All right, well, Mr. Beauseph won this challenge, but I'm gonna get him back in that room over there.
Y'all see that? 3 towers, for me, 3 towers for me, 4 for him. I'm the champion once again. That's right. And undefeated, I think. I think I deserve the title. But we're gonna go in this room. Mr. Andrew, he has a punishment. And trust me, he should not be excited for this. Come on, come on.
I gotta be honest, I thought the ghillie suit was gonna help me because Mr. Beauseph wasn't gonna be able to see me. But, unfortunately, it did not help me this time.
Yeah, what was the ghillie suit about?
How could you see me? That's my question. For real.
Mr. Andrew, ghillie suits work like if you're in a forest.
We were in the forest, obviously. There were structures and trees, things made of wood.
We're inside the church building. We're not in a forest.
Tell me that's not a tree.
At one point in life, sure, it was a tree, but
exactly.
I think I don't know. So can we get Mr. Andrew's punishment up here, please? Mr. Andrew has to pie himself with my grandma's alien goo-goo pie.
Alien goo-goo? What flavor is that, lime?
I don't know.
Oh.
Go ahead.
What? All right,
Pie
count
yourself.
me down.
50,
What?
2, 1, go! Oh! How's the alien goo-goo pie?
It's great. Where are you? Oh, there you guys.
Wow. Wow. Anyways,
feels great.
we have a second challenge, like I told y'all.
No!
earlier.
I forgot about this, honestly.
Yeah, so our second challenge has to do with this Jenga tower and the wheel. And the wheel that we have right here. So,
Yes, that wheel right there.
this wheel has numbers 1 through 5 written on it. And depending on what number we get is depending on how many Jenga blocks. Mr. Andrew, stop destroying
I
my set.
can't help it. How am I going to do this?
That's a good question. You're going to be at a disadvantage.
All right, we're good. This is why you always wear a t-shirt.
Yes, always wear a shirt. And depending on how many numbers you get, how many blocks you take out. So, Mr. Andrew, as the loser, you get to go first.
No, thank you, Mr.
Yeah, my
Beauseph.
pleasure.
This tastes actually really
Oh, really?
not very good.
Oh. Hey, that's my grandma's alien goo-goo
I
pie.
thought it was your mom's.
No, grandma. Meemaw. She made it.
Yes!
1. Wait.
No, it was on 1.
Nice.
1.
Oh.
I'm just taking this out.
Yeah, just take it out. Leave it. It's fine.
All right, Mr.
Spin
Beauseph.
it for me. I can't.
Come on, 5.
No.
Come on.
2.
Come on.
Give me.
3. Oh!
All right, so this one's already poking out at me, so I'm just gonna take it that easy. Okay.
Is this pie supposed to burn? Because
this
it's
one easy money. Boom.
Why would you leave
And
that
then-
one?
You're welcome. And then let's go with this guy right here. That's right. And boom! 3! That's right! Come on.
All right. I will roll
A
2! All right, let's see here.
Don't get too close to me.
Obviously, I'm gonna take out that one right there, because that was easy.
Okay.
And I'm going to take out this one right here. 2!
Alright, spin for me. Oh, come on. 1. 2.
2.
Okay, I can do 2. Let's get this one right here. Oh, that was like butter smooth. Butter.
Or was it like goo goo pie smooth?
It was like goo-goo pie. Oh, and this one, the same one, like a margarine.
Oh.
Can't believe it's not butter.
It's not. It's made of wood.
Okay. 5, 2. Oh.
2! All right, I'm gonna do this
Ooh,
one right
that
here,
was-
Governor, and this
Whoa.
one right here, Governor, for 2! Your turn, Mr. Beauseph. Are you getting nervous?
You're so scary with that. Oh.
3!
Now this is getting intense. You got your goo-goo on this.
It's your grandma's goo goo.
Yeah.
Also, is this gonna turn my skin green? Because
Possibly. Okay, right here.
Ah!
This one.
Almost fell for it. No!
This is looking intense. Oh my. 5,
Ah!
3, Wait. Fine. You saw that. It went back.
What did you do to it? All right, I'll do it. I'm not afraid.
2. Ow, that hurt my hand. 3.
Yep.
Wait, are you actually gonna do it? No. 4. 5.
Your turn, Mr. Beauseph. How's it going over there?
Dude, what just happened?
I don't know, but now you have to take out 3.
Alright, watch this, right here. 1.
What?
Watch this. 2.
I didn't see that one.
And then 3. Boom.
Oh, alright. Oh, yeah, well, look at this 1.
3.
No! Of course, we take out that one there. We'll leave that there. I don't want to get pie.
You're going. No way!
Oh my word! 5.
3.
No!
Okay, watch this. I'm gonna be risky. I'm not gonna go for a middle one.
You touched it, you have to go.
I'm going for a middle one.
Oh, change it up, Mr. Beauseph.
Change my mind. Wait, that one's like, I can't even poke it out.
You got one more.
Oh no, this might be it.
Ah!
Whoa! That is terrifying.
Ah! All right, let's see.
3.
No!
That's 3.
All right.
That's a 3.
Yep.
You got it. Yep.
Oh.
Go with that one.
Oh, what do I do here? All right, let's see. I walk by faith and not
By sight.
by. That's staying there.
No, you're pulling it.
All right then.
Yeah, you're fine. That one's good. You're good. We're good. Bring the pie.
You said I was good.
I thought you were. Can I do the honor?
Yeah. I just Hey kids, don't forget to look.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
And tell us, would you rather have striped skin like a tiger or the mouth of a hippopotamus? I now really want to know.
Thank you guys for joining us today, and we will see you guys next time.